let's unbox my new tumbler press. So right now I'm currently using this small mug press and I've upgraded, so we're gonna unbox it together. Alright, I got it all unpacked and I am so excited to use this. It is the perfect connected color and it's perfectly on brand. It also comes with 2 tumbler attachments, so I can use it for glass cans, water bottles, and things like that. So we'll have some new things coming to the shop soon.